Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to create a Fastag account using Google Pay in 2025. If you're tired of long waits at toll booths on Indian highways, Fastag is your game changer, letting you breeze through with electronic payments. Plus, with Google Pay's user-friendly interface, setting it up is a walk in the park. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you have the latest version of the Google Pay app installed on your smartphone. Open it up and log in with your Google account or UPI ID. Once you're in, head over to the Services or Explore section. It's usually at the bottom of the home screen. Here, you'll find a search bar. Type in Fastag and hit Enter. Now, select the Fastag option from the results. You'll be prompted to check if you're eligible. Don't worry, most Indian bank account holders are. Next, tap on Create Fastag Account. Google Pay will ask for your vehicle details, like the registration number and type of vehicle, so have that handy. Then, link your bank account or UPI for seamless payments. This step might require a quick verification, which could involve an OTP sent to your phone. After that, review all the details you've entered to avoid any mistakes. Once everything looks good, confirm and submit. Voila! Your Fastag account is created, and you'll get a confirmation message. It might take a few hours for full activation, so keep an eye on your app notifications. A quick tip. Ensure your KYC is up to date, as it's mandatory for Fastag. Also, keep track of your balance in the app to avoid surprises at tolls. In 2025, Google Pay has made this even smoother with enhanced security features like biometric authentication. There you have it, folks. You're now all set to hit the roads hassle-free. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.